welcome back. So the first thing we need to do is go to the Arduino website so that we can install the software so that we can code our little Arduino microprocessors. So I'm going to say online tools. It's going to pop up. I'm going to go ahead and just sign in with my Google account. Just scroll down, there it is, sign in with Google. Go ahead and pick your APS account. And it should sign you in. Alright, Arduino Web Editor. We're going to click on that one. And along at the top, it says no plug-in connection. Help! Install the plugin. There it is. Click on that. Takes us to download plugin. We're going to go ahead and open that. There it is. Double click that. Say open. It's opening. Alright, go and hit next. I accept. Next. Next. You can leave that one on no. So that means you have to use Google Chrome or Firefox. I'm going to say next. And finish. It might ask for a password. I will come over and type in the admin password so that you guys can install it. Now it says plugin correctly installed. Yay, we're done with the first part. This is what it should look like.